Let me tell you two reasons why I'm a big fan of this Allwake pickleball paddle. I'm an intermediate player. I play a couple times a week, so I'm looking for any advantage I can find. And what I've found with this paddle is I feel more confident playing with this paddle. It's got a nice pop. That's the second thing that I really like about it. The ball really pops off the face. I felt like I could hit it really crisp, had good control. It's an impressive paddle. Now, it does have a carbon surface. I do like to spin the ball, and this helps with the spin. I felt really good, really confident playing with this paddle. Now, it does come with a case, which is a nice plus, and the grip is really nice too. It's kind of I would say it's a little bit smaller grip, like girth wise, so to speak, like overall diameter. But it fits my hand really well. I like the length of the grip and the shape of the paddle. This is a good paddle. It's worth checking out. I recommend it.